Welcome to Recipe Star. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you a highly refreshing, trending, and sought-after recipe perfect for Ramadan. This delightful drink combines the goodness of your favorite roux afza, strawberry milkshake, or rose milk. I guarantee you'll adore it during Ramadan. Plus, it's incredibly nutritious, thanks to the wholesome boba pearls used in its preparation. In this recipe, I've used tapioca pearls, known for their health benefits. I ground them into powder, then blended fresh strawberries with sugar, microwaved, and mixed with tapioca flour to form a dough. Boiling the dough in water for 20 minutes created translucent jelly balls, sweetened with sugar and set aside. Tapioca pearls are like tiny balls made from tapioca starch, which comes from cassava roots. They're good for you because they give your body energy to play and learn. Plus, they're easy to eat and don't upset your tummy. So, they're great for keeping you full and happy. Having tapioca pearls, jellies, milk, and strawberries during Ramadan can be a tasty and nutritious choice. Tapioca pearls provide energy, while milk offers protein and calcium. Strawberries add a burst of flavor and some essential vitamins. Together, they can help keep you hydrated and satisfied during the fasting period. However, it's essential to balance your meals with other nutritious foods to ensure you're meeting all your nutritional needs during Ramadan. Sip away on your nutritious delight, and don't miss out on the fun. Remember to hit that like button, share with your pals, and hit subscribe to stay tuned for more exciting recipes. Your support means the world to us, and together, we're growing faster than ever. Bye-bye.